Hey everyone, welcome back to SaaS Trac, where we cut through the noise and help you choose the right software faster. If you're new here, every comparison we do is based on real hands-on testing. No sponsored opinions, no vendor pressure, just the truth. In this video, we're doing a full head-to-head HubSpot versus Zoho. We'll cover setup, core features, pricing, and at the end, I'll give you a clear verdict based on your type of business. Links to try both tools are in the description. Let's get into it. HubSpot Snapshot. HubSpot was founded in 2006 and built around one idea: inbound marketing. Instead of chasing customers, you attract them with content and a great experience. Today it covers 6 hubs: CRM, marketing, sales, service, content, and commerce, all connected under what they call a smart CRM. It's polished, it's intuitive, it has a genuinely useful free plan, and it's the go-to platform for marketing-led businesses. Zoho Snapshot. Zoho launched in 1996 in India and has grown into one of the most comprehensive SaaS ecosystems on the planet. Over 55 apps, 80 million users, completely bootstrapped. Zoho's CRM handles your sales pipeline. Zoho Assist handles remote support. Zoho Campaigns handles email marketing. And Zoho One bundles all of it for one flat monthly rate. It's more complex to set up, but it's significantly cheaper and significantly more customizable. HubSpot Onboarding. Getting into HubSpot is genuinely smooth. You sign up with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or email. Enter your name, industry, role, company name, and website URL, and you're inside the dashboard in under 2 minutes. What really stands out is what happens next. HubSpot doesn't just drop you into an empty screen. It walks you through a guided setup with onboarding checklists, tutorial videos, and suggested first steps based on what you said your role was. For a first-time CRM user, this is huge. There's almost no learning curve in the first week. Zoho Onboarding. Zoho Assist, and Zoho's tools generally, have a similarly straightforward sign-up. Email, verify, in. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered. Sidebar navigation takes you straight to remote support sessions, unattended access, reports, and settings without digging through menus. HubSpot wins on first impressions. Zoho wins on long-term control, CRM, and contact management. Both platforms give you a 360-degree view of every contact, but the approach is very different. In HubSpot, every contact has a full activity timeline. Every email they opened, every page they visited on your website, every call logged, every deal they're attached to. It's marketing-centric, and that context is incredibly useful for personalized outreach. And deals, tasks, and notes all link together automatically. Zoho CRM takes a more structured approach. It separates leads from contacts. Leads are unqualified prospects. Contacts are people you've already decided to work with. This distinction gives your pipeline better hygiene, especially when you're scaling. And where Zoho really pulls ahead is customization. From the professional plan, you can create entirely custom modules, meaning if your sales process doesn't fit the standard model, Zoho bends to fit you. HubSpot needs enterprise tier for that level of flexibility. Round 1 verdict: HubSpot for ease and marketing context. Zoho for structure and customization depth. Marketing and campaigns. This is HubSpot's home territory, and it shows. The Marketing Hub gives you email campaigns, social media scheduling, landing pages, ad management, A/B testing, and an automation workflow builder that is genuinely one of the best in the business. You visually drag and drop trigger conditions. If contact visits pricing page 3 times, send this email, wait 2 days, then assign to sales rep, all without writing a line of code. For marketing teams, this is gold. Zoho's marketing equivalent lives in Zoho Campaigns, a separate but integrated app. It handles email marketing, automation, and social posting. It works well, and it's much cheaper, but it doesn't match HubSpot's workflow sophistication or attribution depth at comparable price points. Round 2 winner, HubSpot, by a clear margin for marketing-led teams. Sales tools. For pure sales execution, both tools are strong, but they're built for different sales cultures. HubSpot's Sales Hub gives you visual pipeline management, one-click meeting scheduling, email sequences that run automatically, document tracking, and built-in call recording. The drag-and-drop pipeline feels satisfying to use, and reps genuinely enjoy working in it, which matters for adoption. Sales analytics are clear. You see forecast by rep, by stage, by team, all in real time. Zoho CRM fights back hard here with something called Blueprint. Blueprint lets you build structured sales processes where each deal stage has required fields, conditional transitions, and approval gates. Your rep cannot move a deal forward until the right information is captured. It's process governance that HubSpot only offers at their enterprise tier. Zoho also gives you unlimited pipelines from the standard plan. HubSpot limits you to 2 on starter. Round 3 verdict, HubSpot for team adoption and usability. Zoho for process-driven sales compliance, customer support, and remote access. This is where the comparison gets really interesting, because both platforms approach support completely differently. HubSpot's Service Hub gives you a help desk with ticket management, a knowledge base builder, customer feedback surveys, live chat, and chatbots, all connected to your CRM. So when a support ticket comes in, you immediately see the customer's full history, what they bought, what emails they opened, what deals they had. Support becomes proactive, not reactive. From the dashboard, you can start a live remote session with a customer in seconds. Just send them a link, they install a lightweight app, and you have full screen control. You can transfer files, use built-in chat, view network stats, and end the session cleanly. No complicated setup, no third-party tools. The standout feature is unattended access. Set it up once on a device and you can access it anytime, even if no one is at the other end. For IT teams managing 50 machines across 3 offices, this is a game changer. AI and automation. AI is where both platforms are investing heavily right now, and both have genuinely impressive capabilities. HubSpot's AI engine is called Breeze. It works across the entire platform, suggesting email copy, summarizing contact timelines, auto-generating chatbot responses, and surfacing insights about which deals need attention. Breeze also automates routine tasks, data enrichment, follow-up reminders, pipeline updates, so your team spends less time on admin and more time selling. Zoho's AI is called Zia, and it goes deep on predictions. At the enterprise tier, Zia gives you lead scoring, deal win probability, anomaly detection. So if your conversion rate drops 15% this week, Zia flags it before your manager does. It also suggests the best time to contact a lead based on historical engagement patterns. Round 5 verdict, HubSpot's Breeze for accessibility and ease, Zoho's Zia for predictive depth at the right tier. Side-by-side pricing all right, let's talk money, because this is where the 2 platforms diverge the most. HubSpot's free plan is genuinely one of the best in SaaS. Unlimited users, basic CRM, forms, live chat, and email marketing up to 2,000 sends. Great starting point. But the moment you need real automation, custom reporting, or more than 2 pipelines, you're looking at Professional. And Professional is where things escalate fast. Marketing Professional alone is $890 per month. Sales Professional is $450 per month. If you want both plus a team of 10, you could be at $2,500 to $2,000 a month before you blink. Zoho is a completely different story. Zoho CRM Professional is $23 per user per month. Enterprise, which includes Zia AI, custom modules, and portals, is $40 per user per month. Zoho Assist starts at just $10 per technician per month for the standard plan and scales up with features like session recording and concurrent sessions. The numbers don't lie. At equivalent feature levels, Zoho is 50 to 70% cheaper than HubSpot. That's a real budget difference, especially for teams of 10 or more. The verdict. So, HubSpot or Zoho? Here's the SaaS Trac verdict, straight up. Choose HubSpot if your growth engine is inbound marketing, content, SEO, lead magnets, email nurturing. Choose Zoho if you need maximum features at minimum cost, especially with 5+ users. HubSpot is the tool you want to use. Zoho is the tool that might make your business more profitable. Hit that like button, drop a comment below telling me which one you're going with, and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff software comparisons every week. I'll see you in the next one.